Welcome to Performance CBN. We specialize in high-performance tooling for engine machine shops and engine rebuilders. I am excited to introduce to you our new Carbide valve guide reamers. We offer them in a wide variety of sizes for popular valve guide diameters. Our Carbide reamers have a longer pilot and a longer shank than the standard reamers found from the competitor. We have straight cutting fluids for optimal cutting performance on bronze alloy valve guides. If you need a custom size, our experienced technical staff can engineer you the right valve guide reamer for your specific size or application. We only request you place a minimum order of 2 units. We offer after-sales support for our Carbide valve guide reamers with our resharpening service. Most reamers can be sharpened 3 to 4 times, saving you hundreds. Simply fill out our online form, package, and ship your reamers in. We are located in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and have fast return times. We hope you enjoyed hearing from us at Performance CBN about these new reamers. Please feel free to check pricing on our website, as it is subject to change. Let me take this time to remind you that we do ship worldwide, and you can order directly from us, alleviating the middleman. We offer a wide variety of safe and convenient payment methods. Simply go to www.performancecbn.com. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to follow us, please find us on Facebook and follow our YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.